Okay, guys, I am recording. We will be doing writing the names of compounds. Okay, I am recording to be posted to the Googles. So if you want to be YouTube famous, please talk loud enough that they will pick you up on the microphone. All right. Okay, so the first one we're going to do a very simple one here. All right, we're going to use, let me slide it over. Okay, we're going to do HBR. HBR. Okay, so this will be our first example. Would one of you up at the front desk turn on the second light switch there? Oh, Quinn's got, sorry. Yep, that's good. Yep, perfect. All right, HBR. Okay, now we are going to use the flow chart. For those of you watching at home, this blue flow chart, you will get this when you come back to class. All right, but for now, I have the flow chart in PowerPoint form. So if we look at our compound HBR, okay, HBR, does it start with hydrogen? It does. So we go, if I can get my arrow to show up, there we go. We click on the yes button. All right, and then the next question is, all right, is it a binary acid? What does binary mean? Two. All right, so does our acid have only two elements? Yeah, we know that because it only has two capital letters, capital H, capital B, lowercase r. So our answer will be yes. If you're using this, you actually click on the smiley face. All right, so it tells me I name it using the prefix hydro, the element base name, and ic acid. All right, so what does that look like in this case? Well, let's start with hydro. Okay, what's this element? Bromine. So the base name would just be BROM, and then we put ic on it, and then acid. Hydrobromic acid. Are you with me? Not too hard, is it? That's it. You're done. Yeah, I will go back to the slide. Yep. And guys, this slide is actually on our flow chart too. I will show you that in a second. All right. All right. If you look at your flow chart, okay, I can kind of zoom in. All right. So what we did, following our flow chart, did it begin with hydrogen? We said yes. If it had been no, we'd go down this way. Is it binary? So yes, it was. And then right here, hydro, the element base, ic acid. All right. And then we follow the element. We're done. We just stop. And we go all the way back to the beginning. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Are you with me? And on here, this button, the whole box is a button, so you click on it. It takes you, if you click on stop, it messes the whole thing up. Always go down here and go to return to the beginning. And guess where it goes? The beginning. Very creative. Oh, that's amazing, Mr. Man. It's actually not. But it is kind of cool. All right. Okay, let's do this one. All right, the next one we're going to do, and all we're going to do are acids today. Okay. H2Z4, H4O6. All right. Okay, so the example we are going to do now will be H2, C4H4O6. H2, C4H4O6. Go ahead and write that down. H2, C4H4O6. H2, C4H4O6. Everybody got it? Yes? All right, going back to our slides. Does it start with hydrogen? It does. All right. Now, does water fit this? Not exactly. Water can be an acid. Water can be a base. It's actually both. All right, but does it start with hydrogen? Yes. Is it binary? No, there's a whole bunch of elements there, isn't there? All right, so our answer is no. We click on the lightning bolt. Oh, now we find the name of the polyatomic ion and choose the next step by its ending. All right, so let's go back over. How do I know what's my polyatomic ion? I cover up the H at the start. Okay, now on my pink sheet, I'm looking for C4H6O. It is, very good. All right, found it quick. Okay, here it is right here. It is tartrate. Do you guys see that? Okay, all right, now we will go back to our slide. It was tartrate. So we go down here to the red arrow under the ATE, and we click on this. All right. So for these, we do not put hydro because hydro is only binary. We're going to change the 8 to ic. All right. Hang on. Psst, let me do it. All right. And it will be just that acid. So tartrate, okay, will become tartric acid. Okay, now, we do not put hydro on these. Hydro only goes when it's binary. All right, that's good, and it tells you no hydro, like on the slide. It says no hydro, and on the box on our flow chart, it says no hydro. Okay, and that's why I thought if we go over these, that might help you for writing the formulas on the quiz, right? So no hydro because it's polyatomic. Now, this is one where sometimes going straight by the rules. And if you put this, if we have this one on the test, I don't know, I don't even remember what's on the test. If we have this on the test and you write it exactly like this, I would not take off for that. But, okay, in the real world, sometimes they don't always follow the rules. It's kind of like literary license where they don't have to follow the rules of English. All right, this one actually you will see called tartaric acid, okay? And how many of you have ever made cookies at home from scratch? Few of you? Okay. If you go to the grocery store, this is also known as cream of tartar. Okay, cream of tartar. All right, it's used in tartar sauce. It gives it a little bit of an acidic taste. It's also used in making cookies. You add this and baking soda, and it makes the cookies rise. If you leave this out, your cookies will be flat and crunchy instead of nice and fluffy, right? Okay, all right, are you with me? Little side note there. Okay, so again, we go to the box. We click on it. We go back to the beginning. Let us do one more, shall we? Okay, this was one that threw people off on the worksheet today. Oh, let me go back over here. And we'll do H3PO3. H3PO3. Are you with me? Everybody got it written down? H3PO3. All right. Let's go back. Does it start with hydrogen? Yes. All of them today start with hydrogen. Is it binary? No, because there's 3 capital letters. So we go to the no, the lightning bolt. All right. So then we find it on our pink sheet. Okay. So we cover up the H. We're looking just for the PO3. Boom. There it is. It is phosphite. Do you guys see that? Not phosphate. Phosphite. So we choose our ending. Now this one's kind of hard because the little arrow is kind of skinny. So, all right. So again, no hydro. We are not going to write hydro on this one. We're going to change the ite to us. And then, so in this case, phosphite. Now, again, it's going to be, if we go straight by the rule, it's phosphorus acid. However, with the elements like phosphor and sulfur, they think it's better to put that back in there. So this one, comes out as phosphorus acid because it doesn't go strictly by the rule. Again, if we had this on the test, I will accept phosphorus acid. But it's actually a little more correct as phosphorus acid. Okay? Like, will you have to do this?
Yeah.
No, this will not be on the quiz. You'll just be writing the formulas. However, I will let you use that flow chart if you think it will help you on the quiz for figuring out your acids, right? Because then you go, wait, hydro, which way? There you go, right? Yeah, if you want it. But everything tomorrow, they will give you the name, and you just have to write the formula, okay? All right, do you guys like this? Okay, I'm going to stop our video. Yes. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I messed up. All right, hold on. Guys, I forgot to get your scores, didn't I?